Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through how to mute a conversation on the X app, formerly known as Twitter, when using it on your computer. With the latest update, the interface looks a bit different. But don't worry, the process is still super simple. Let's jump right into it. First, open the X app on your desktop. If you're logged in, you'll land on your home feed right away. Take a look at the left side menu. This is where all your main shortcuts are. From there, click on Messages. This will open up your chat section where you can see all your recent conversations. Next, find the chat you want to mute. Maybe it's a busy group chat, or someone just keeps messaging you a bit too often. Click on that conversation to open it. Once you're inside the chat, look for the small info icon. You'll find it near the top right corner of the screen. It usually looks like a little circle with an eye inside. After clicking the info icon, a new panel will appear showing options for that conversation. Here's where the new update changed things slightly. Instead of the old mute option, you'll see something called snooze notifications. From 3 will display the person or group's name. This is basically your updated way to mute the conversation. Go ahead and click on snooze notifications. You'll then see a few time period options appear on your screen. You can choose how long you'd like to mute the chat, whether it's for a few hours, a day, or longer, depending on your preference. Once you've selected the time frame, that's it. You've successfully muted the conversation. During that snooze period, you won't get any message alerts from that chat, and you can always come back later to turn notifications back on if you change your mind. And that's how you mute a conversation on the X app using your PC with the latest update. Simple, quick, and perfect for keeping distractions under control.